Mr. Beast didn't become the biggest YouTuber in the world by luck. He followed a system that helped him gain hundreds of millions of subscribers. And the surprising part, most creators completely ignore it. In this video, I'll break down the 7 key elements behind Mr. Beast's success, from video ideas and thumbnails to storytelling, editing, and audience retention. So if you want more views, more subscribers, and a real chance to grow on YouTube, watch until the end. One of the biggest mistakes small creators make is choosing video ideas that nobody is searching for. Or even worse, they pick massive topics that are simply too competitive. The problem isn't the topic itself. The problem is making a video that can't compete with the best creators in that space. Mr. Beast understood this early. Instead of chasing every big trend, he focused on ideas he could execute better than others. And that's exactly what helped him grow. There are 3 master keys that determine 50% of your success on YouTube: title, thumbnail, and hook. The first one is the title. If your title is boring, no one will click on it. Your title should have 1 or more of these qualities: curiosity, shock value, less than 50 characters, use numbers, and most importantly, your audience should feel they need to click and watch. Thumbnails are the first thing people see when they open YouTube, and in just a split second, they decide whether to click or keep scrolling. If your thumbnail isn't convincing enough, most people will never click on your video. A great thumbnail should have these key elements: high contrast and opposing colors, short and easy to read text, usually between 3 and 5 words, a clear subject or character that immediately catches attention, and strong emotions that make people curious to find out more. When your audience clicks on your video, that's not the end of the game. It's only the beginning. You need to show or say something that convinces them to keep watching until the very end. A great hook should have these key characteristics. Start immediately with no unnecessary introduction. Be stimulating and grab attention instantly. And most importantly, evoke emotions that make people want to see what happens next. So once you've created a great thumbnail, title, and hook, you've completed only 50% of the job. You can open loops, ask questions, create surprising moments, and constantly give viewers a reason to stay. This is one of the most important keys and one that many creators never talk about: presentation and assets. Use visuals, B-rolls, animations, and other assets to explain your message more effectively. Don't just tell your audience what's happening, show them. For example, when Mr. Beast says, "We're putting the world's fastest car against a cheetah," he immediately shows both competitors on screen. That makes the video easier to understand and much more engaging to watch. Many people think editing isn't that important, but that's a huge mistake, because great editing can be the difference between someone watching your video or leaving after a few seconds. Good editing keeps the audience engaged and encourages them to watch longer. Use transitions, effects, filters, zooms, sound effects, and other editing techniques to maintain attention and keep the video moving. Remember, every second of your video should give viewers a reason to keep watching.